Today's tutorial will learn how to beat the YouTube algorithm to get you more views and eventually grow your channel. If you find it helpful, consider liking and subscribe. Let's go if you're ready. To get more views, we'll deploy the 3-tag strategy. The first strategy to getting views is to use post-based tags. For instance, if you're uploading a video on how to get views on YouTube, your post-based tags could be YouTube views, get views on YouTube, etc. In simple terms, use keywords in the title or the whole title as a post-based tags. The second tag strategy that'll make the YouTube algorithm love you is niche-specific. Making videos on how to get views on YouTube suggests that you're in the YouTube growth niche or YouTube education. How to grow on YouTube, YouTube growth, or grow YouTube channel can be the niche-specific tags to use. The final tag strategy to beating the YouTube algorithm for more views is the use of general tags. General tags may include words and phrases that are popular on YouTube. Examples are what you're seeing on this screen. Now that you know how to get more views by way of using the 3-tag strategies, like and subscribe.